आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
An ellipse and a hyperbola. Ellipse and hyperbola have their principal axis along the coordinate axis and have a common foci separated by the distance 2 root 3, and the difference of their focal semi-axis is equals to 4. The ratio of their eccentricities is 3/7. Then find the equation of these curves. So first of all, we can just consider all the eccentricity, semi-major axis and the semi-minor axis. So I'm taking for ellipse, like eccentricity is E1 and A1 we can consider as semi-major axis, and B1 we can consider the semi-minor axis for ellipse. And for hyperbola we can consider E2 as eccentricity and A2 as semi-major axis and B2 as semi-minor axis. And then after we can just write down the condition which is given in the question, which is the difference between A1 and A2 is equals to 4. That means the difference between semi-major axis is equals to 4. And the ratio of their eccentricities, which is E1 upon E2 is equals to 3/7. We can consider equation second. And third condition is like their semi-minor axis. So 2A1 E1 is equals to root 3 and 2A2 E2 is equals to root 3 again. According to this, the common foci is separated by the distance 2 root 3. Alright, sorry, this one is 2 root 3. Root 3 into 2 I'm just writing to compensate. Alright, then we can say A1, then we can say A1 is equals to root 3 upon E1 and A2 is equals to root 3 upon E2. So that we can put this in equation first. So in from equation 1, or we can put this in equation 1, A1 minus A2 is equals to 4. So we can say root 3 upon E1 minus root 3 upon E2 is equals to 4. Sorry, if we'll take root 3, sorry, 1 upon E1 minus 1 upon E2 is equals to 4. Then root 3 common again, and now we can simplify or take LCM, like E2 minus E1 is equals to 4 E1 E2. Alright, then we, as we know, E1 upon E2 is equals to 3/7, so we just have to substitute this value over there. So root 3 is E2 minus 3/7 E2 is equals to 4 into 3/7 E2 into E2. So that will become root 3 4 upon 7 E2 is equals to 12 upon 7. We can cancel out the 7. 12 upon 7 E2 whole square. And then after so then after we can just simply find out the value of E1 also. Alright, so E2 is equals to 4 root 3 upon 12, and which is root 3 upon 3, and E1 is equals to 3/7 of E2, which is 3/7 into root 3/3. So that will be root 3/7. So we have got the value of E1 and E2. Now we can find the value of A1, which is root 3 upon E1 equals to root 3 by root 3/7 in bracket. That will be equals to 7, and so A1 is 7 and A1 square is 49 and A1 square is 49. Now A2 is equals to root 3 by E2, which is equals to root 3 by 3. Then it will be 3, then which leads to A2 square is equals to 9. And then after, we can simply, for ellipse, we can put the values for ellipse. Alright, for ellipse we can say A1 square 1 minus E1 square, which is equals to 49, because A1 square is 49, and root 3 by 7 whole square bracket close, and that will be equals to 49 1 minus 9 upon 49, and that will be 49, and 40 upon 49, and that will be equals to, like, A1 square is equals to 40. Sorry, this one is B1 square, so B1 square is equals to 40. Alright, and then we can simplify for hyperbola also. For hyperbola, and for hyperbola we can say B2 is equals to, B2 square is equals to A2 square, E2 square minus 1 is equals to 9, and root 3 by 3 whole square minus 1. Yes, so 9 and 3 by 3, I think this is 13, not 3, because this can't be 0. I think there is a mistake in question. So 13 by 3, because this one, if this is 2 root 3, then this won't be possible, because 1 minus 1 is 0 here, and that is not possible. So I think this would be 13, not 3, and that is how we can find out easily. There must be a question mistake. Okay, so let me correct over there also. Yes, so that is how I think we should correct in every single question. We just have to replace this 13 with 3, so we just need to put 49, and this will be 13, and this will become 36. That is how this will become 36, and B will become 6. So we just have to change the value of 3 only. So that is 9 into 4 upon 9, that will be 4. So B2 is equals to 2. So that is how we can make the equation of ellipse again. So equation of ellipse, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square, this one is a1, this one is b1, is equals to 1. Then we can say x square upon 49 plus y square upon 36 is equals to 1. And for hyperbola, x square upon a2 square plus y square upon b2 square is equals to 1, and this one should be negative. So by mistake I wrote positive, this one should be negative. And then the final equation will be x square by 9 minus y square by 4 is equals to 1. So that is our final equations. That is our final equations of hyperbola and ellipse. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।